Tesla CEO Elon Musk has unveiled a $10,000 house that promises to revolutionize the real estate industry. What is the size of this new house? What is it made of? Does the Tesla billionaire own one? And what utilities does it offer? Today I will be exploring everything you need to know about Elon Musk's $10,000 house that has hit the market. There are many companies Tesla, CEO, founded before his housing company, his aim to make life sustainable and comfortable on the blue. He recently founded the Boring Company, whose aim is to reduce traffic for busy American citizens who need to catch up with pressing businesses. He aims also to go beyond Earth as he plans to make life multiplanetary, as his core aim is to help humanity. In fact, Musk stopped all Tesla payments using Bitcoin because Bitcoin uses a lot of computational power, which is powered by fossil fuels. According to Musk, fossil fuel is the worst human experiment. Consequently, due to the core values of Tesla, they withdrew all Tesla payments using Bitcoin. So this is a man who practices what he preaches. Therefore, it comes as no surprise that he decided to launch a sustainable housing plan through the Waxable company. They're way different from traditional houses and might soon change how we view housing in the near future. By now, we have seen what Musk is capable of doing, and his $10,000 house does not disappoint. But first things first, what is Boxville? Boxville is a tremendously innovative company that helps to solve the problem of affordable housing and homelessness. This company may be new to you as it is not often mentioned among Elon's most popular C, when in fact it is part of Tesla. The good thing is now you are in the know. The company was co-founded by Galliano Chani and his father, Paolo Chani, who is the current CEO previously referred to as Cato. The company has spent less than 7 years in the market since its founding year in 2017. The two founders wanted to make housing sustainable by providing a better, cheaper, and faster way of making houses by making construction compatible with assembly line mass production. When Musk joined the Boxville team, he introduced even better ideas that made the product worth spending all of your fortunes up to the time Box was being formed. Several attempts to make sustainable houses were weak and not as relevant. However, Paolo Chani came up with the original idea of making foldable houses. To achieve this, he built a house using factory-built room modules. Unfortunately, he encountered many problems related to shipping the houses. As it turned out, the houses were quite oversized to fit on the highway. This is the same reason why most factory-built housing has failed to scale up anyhow. Shipping wide loads is a big challenge as it requires extra follow cars and restricted routines and travel times. Boxville was finally able to solve this problem as the rooms can fold up from large 20-feet rooms to small 8-foot highway legal loads. This has opened doors to mass production of factory-built homes sooner than. You will be surprised to note that Musk lives in a $50,000 simple prefab home in Bosch. Chica, the world's richest man, allegedly sold all his property. He claimed, "Yeah, sold my house except for one in the Bay Area that's rented out for events, working on sustainable energy for the Earth with Tesla and protecting the future of consciousness by making life multiplanetary with SpaceX." This is not the first time he wrote such. Sometime back, Musk wrote that he would sell all his physical possessions and would not own a house for a sustainable lifestyle, or just being a minimalist is a choice he best understands. Otherwise, the Tesla CEO seems to be comfortable with his life. So how many people does Musk stay with? In his small foldable home, he had 6 children, triplets, and a set of twins from his marriage with a novelist, Justine, and baby X and Y. His marriage with the Tesla CEO co-parents with his ex-wife, Justine, and does not stay with all the children. For now, he stays with his son, Baby. To this end, he is proud of his small home and calls it more homey compared to his previous home. Enough of the box bubbling. What does it even offer? The box houses come with a range of different rooms typical to modern houses. It has a full-size kitchen with a view, a fridge, dishwasher, oven, and well-fitted cabinets. The bathrooms are fitted with a deep shower, a vessel sink resting on a large counter, and a backlit mirror. The doors of the bathroom are enclosed with a sliding barn door, giving it a well-deserved finish. The sitting room comes with a standard size of 19.5 feet by 19.5 feet, while the floor is decked with a wide plain composite flooring to maintain the warmth during winter. On it rests a washing machine dryer. The 9.6 feet ceilings are fitted with the most modern heating and air conditioning, so you won't have to worry about summer or winter. Also, the huge 8-foot windows and doors ensure maximum lighting as a bonus. The house comes with a built-in ironing center that's not even half of it. The prefab house has its walls made of the most sustainable but simple materials. They have been tested to prove their durability and harsh weather condition. The roof specifically can withstand snowy conditions, including the weight of snow. Generally, Waxable is made of steel, concrete, and EPS foam. These are materials that don't easily. The floor, roof, and walls of the prefab house are made of structurally laminated panels that are more resilient than the average building. They have been rated for hurricane speeds and are found to handle the worst wind situation in North America. These sustainable house designs conformed and exceed the design of most building codes. Mold can be a nuisance around the home, especially during floods and humid conditions. Well, waxable is different as the materials are less likely to grow mold, leaving your home always looking and smelling new thanks to the materials that don't use common lumber or sheetrock. Unfortunately, nothing enables is fireproof. However, the design was made with fire resistance in mind. For instance, the house's interior and exterior were made with non-combustible material, so any flying embers that spread forest fires won't set your home on fire. Utilities like electricity and plumbing all come pre-installed from the factory and are plugged in on site to the exterior corner of the box bowl. Now let's look at what resonates with other people's interests. The prefab house is powered by $6 panels fitted on the roof. The panels are capable of offering more than the required energy to run all household appliances. And this must target sustainable housing by making houses independent of utility cooperation. The house is fitted with a 2-kilowatt photovoltaic system. These are supported by the Tesla power walls installed on the exterior of the walls to store energy, both day and night. A Tesla app is used to control and monitor the energy cycle according to Musk. Solar electricity devices are designed for use in typical residential first self-consumption of solar energy and emergency. The solar panels borrow the design from batteries used in Tesla cars and are created to take up energy storage and retrieve energy in case of an outage or anything of the sort. When sunlight hits the photovoltaic tiles on the roof, they are absorbed by the solar cells and thus create a direct current. The direct current is then sent to the solar inverter, which changes it to the alternating current that can power your appliances. The Tesla solar-powered roof comes with some insane advantages. When your system produces excess power, it goes to the power wall or sometimes is sent to your utility. The most exciting part is that you can use this energy to charge your electric vehicle, which can cut your EV charging cost. Talking about cost, Tesla homeowners will be able to save up to 92% of their utility costs spent on electricity when using electricity during off-peak hours when the electricity demand is, and opting for solar energy during high-peak hours when the electricity demand is higher and the rate expensive. Boxville homes are designed to be compatible with any products from Solar City. This means reduced installation cost and increased adaptability in periods of low sun. The Boxville homes implement the use of sustainable green technology. For starters, the box will ensure that the materials are most durable by working on prototypes for protracted periods to see that the materials will not be degradable over time. To achieve this, Musk's prefab company uses materials like plywood and polyurethane for insulation, while at the same time attaining a high-end look. Moreover, the materials are made of non-reactive or harmful chemicals, which is a commendable trait for a sustainable green home. Not to mention that the materials can last a lifetime. If you are considering having a box bull, make an order for only $10,000. This excludes the shipping and setup costs. Shipping costs will vary depending on where you are, so if you live far away, you will have to spend extra. Fortunately, individuals staying in their areas near Boxville factories like Las Vegas will enjoy free deliveries. On the other hand, the setup cost will vary depending on the location and the complexity of the site, and can range anywhere between $5,000 to $50,000. The company has received numerous reactions since the manufacturer of the first Boxville. Thousands of people around the world have reached out to invest in them. Plus, the company has received over 40,000 orders from around the world. These orders are so overwhelming that they've had to put them on a wait list, which would take about a year before these aspiring owners receive their homes. Finally, the box offers aspiring box owners a choice of financing. The company follows the process of connecting you with its financing. On this, there are several loan options available. The financing partners will actively reach out to you to discuss loan options before the box finalizes your box order. You could even finance your box with a 30-year mortgage. So what are you waiting for? Try it out. Many real estate experts agree that Elon Musk's $10,000 house is the perfect solution to the problem of housing. Well, that's all we have for you today. Leave your opinion in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload and you can enjoy the excellent content I send your way.